Hello, friend. This is Sydney, your friend, and welcome to China Shuitou Stone Fair. Okay, and now I show you behind me is the flexible 1 millimeter thickness, lightweight, ultra thin, flexible marble panel. Yeah, it's really marble, not plastic. Okay, you see. But it's very thin. Some people think it's. Some people will look. Oh, it's fake. Suddenly, it's real marble. I tell you truth. It's really marble, of course. Definitely, it's real marble. But it just cut into very thin. Maybe 1 millimeter amount. The thickness. Use the special process technology. The stone can be changed. It's real marble, no plastic. It's real marble. Okay, just very thin, very thin. Yeah, this is onyx. It's really stone, but you see. So amazing, right? Yes. This is the flexible marble panel. Yeah, very thin. Okay. So, once you are interested for more details, welcome to Molex. Welcome to Sydney. Welcome to follow me. Okay. See you next time.